How to fix error code 0xc00000f while booting Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix error code 0xc00000f while booting Windows 10. 1. Perform a full malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall program that caused the 0xc00000f error. 3. Run the system file checker, sfc/scano, as admin. 4. Install, pending, Windows updates. 5. Perform disk cleanup by a cleaner. And, check your disk with the chkdsk utility, chkdskc/f, under troubleshooting options command prompt, shown below. 6. Rebuild the boot configuration data in troubleshooting options. Run these commands there, bootrec/rebuild, bootrec/fixmbr, bootrec/fixboot, or, try, running bootrec/fixmbr. Using startup repair. 7. Refresh or reset your PC. 8. Other tips are, check and change power cord and remove external devices. Check your data cables, BIOS, revert to previous BIOS settings, and drivers. Reinstall Windows 10 from installation media. Contact Microsoft customer. Support.